und uns entgegenkommt, bitte bleiben Sie noch sitzen. Ladies and gentlemen, same procedure again. We're still waiting for an outbound traffic here, which takes another 30 seconds, and then we reach our parking position in around about 1 minute. Thanks very much.
Oh, shit. Too close, those guys.
Quarenta mil.